Oh, wait! that reminded me. You want to hear something? When we're in the cool and stuff, there's a few times where, like, I think Ike is doing it, where he'll just make, like, a bubble noise. Where he's just going... Right? And, I shown a noise that I can make. Hold on, let me make my mic a bit closer to me. This noise. Let me do it again. I want to get my lips moist. I should get some bubble lessons with the... Guys, do you want to learn how to do the bubble noise? Okay, so you want to like wet your lips, and then you want to get your finger and you want to put it up and down your lip like, but then like you tighten your lips and you don't go but you tighten it and it will go. But then if you tighten your mouth even more, you can change the pitch of it. But yes, you just tighten your lips so it goes like... And then if you tighten it more, you can go... Sorry, I bumped the mic. Yeah, it takes practice. It takes everyone can do it. Everyone can do it. You just have to do it a few times and then you can do it. All right? Just get your lips all loose. You know, the first time is always the hardest, but the more you do it, the more your lips get loose. It'll be easier. Trust me.
Please bark again.
Boo!